In the vast universe of our health, the complexity of cancer stands unparalleled. It is not a singular affliction, but a constellation of conditions marked by the uncontrolled proliferation of cells, challenging the normalcy of our bodily functions and spreading into the tissue fabric. This invasion disrupts our system's harmony, leading to severe, life-threatening complications. Grasping the nature of this relentless foe is a crucial first step towards fortification. Awareness sheds light on early detection and prevention, offering a semblance of control in this unpredictable fight. Join us as we venture into cancer's mysteries, exploring its types, causes, and crucially, strategies for prevention. Knowledge equips us with action power, transforming fear into resolve and despair into proactive vigilance. Stay with us on this journey from the shadows to the light of understanding and hope, as we gain informed confidence to minimize cancer's impact, working towards a future where it can be overcome. Cancer manifests uniquely across individuals, with certain types like breast, lung, prostate, and skin cancer standing prevalent in their impact. Breast cancer affects both women and men worldwide, advocating for universal vigilance. Lung cancer, associated with environmental and personal factors, emphasizes caution against tobacco and pollutants. Prostate cancer highlights the need for regular screenings in aging men. Skin cancer, the most preventable yet increasingly common, serves as a reminder of the sun's dual role. The diverse nature of these cancers leads us to stories of survival, research, and a collective quest for cures. Understanding these types is vital, setting the stage for our next discussion on causation and laying groundwork for proactive care. Addressing the pivotal question, what causes cancer? We find its roots in a nexus of genetics, environment, and lifestyle. Changes in genes critical for cell growth and division can initiate cancer, influenced by inherited traits or cellular errors. However, external factors like pollutants and radiation can also alter cellular DNA. Moreover, our lifestyle choices, diet, smoking, and exercise, have a significant impact on our cancer risk. Understanding these causes empowers us as active participants, not mere spectators, in cancer prevention. Insight into these factors paves the way for adopting behaviors that shape a healthier future, less burdened by the weight of cancer. Recognizing our power in prevention casts a beacon of hope against cancer. Emphasizing healthy lifestyle choices, nutrient-rich diets, regular exercise, and maintaining a healthy weight forms the foundation of cancer prevention. Regular screenings serve as an early warning system, significantly increasing the chances of successful treatment. Vaccinations, especially against viruses like HPV, emerge as crucial shields, lowering our overall cancer risk. This segment prepares us for the final piece of our journey, highlighting the importance of empowerment through awareness and the proactive steps everyone can take towards cancer prevention. Throughout our journey, we've explored the realms of cancer, from understanding its multifaceted nature and causes to navigating prevention avenues. Standing now at a juncture of empowerment through awareness, we recognize knowledge as our greatest asset in this battle. Education fosters empowerment, urging us to make informed decisions that can positively alter our lives. Community support and available resources offer strength and guidance, ensuring no one faces their battle alone. As we conclude, remember, our collective efforts in staying informed and supportive light the path to a hopeful, healthier future. Let's move forward together, wielding knowledge and unity as powerful tools in the fight against cancer, embodying the true spirit of prevention and empowerment.